There's the entrance goes to Buko Mountain, but we're stuck here first. So guys, we are live in Prea Monibong Buko National Park or Buko Mountain. And the entrance here. This is the entrance. That's so we're going to climb up to that most famous tourist destination, the tallest mountain in Cambodia. They call it National Buko Mountain. Yeah. So let's try to go up there. Yeah. So before we went here 7 years ago, we used my CRV car. But after 7 years, I come back and use this 4Runner, Toyota 4Runner Limited with this Visto Kia car with my friend. This is a mini car, so let's try if this mini car Visto car can climb up there. So this is a challenge. So later I will update you guys when we are going up there. Hello, welcome to Buko Mountain. Yeah.
Picturean ta kami tatlo, dali. Ay ma. Oh, dali. Tapos kita.
Entering to Prea Monibong Buko National Park. Okay, here's guys, I will show you. Here on the entrance, you can see some people selling many kinds of souvenirs, foods, and anything. Look at that. So this is the Buko Mountain. The famous tourist destination in Cambodia. So in front of us there's Astor Bao and the family. So we're gonna try to use Kia Visto to climb up on that mountain. The tallest mountain in Cambodia. Going up, dire ko lang dalan.
Oh, dira ka sa ila.
Daddy, is this the first time or second time we're going to
We come here, you're so small. We have picture before.
That's because I remember we go here before.
Yeah.
Only us?
Yeah. Tita Jeremy.
Ah.
No.
Ah, no.
Chris.
Chris. But Didaya so small, I think.
That's because I remember that we go to mountain already.
Yeah, but that we use the CRV.
Can I video with my tablet?
You can, but not much. CR-V.
Oh, okay.
Did you
Nagkano?
remember that car, the green?
Ah,
But I think after this, we come back again after 7 years. We another car again.
5, 6. This is equivalent to Baguio in the Philippines. Yeah.
I just like
mountain.
I really like mountain because it's very cool. Just like this.
Ow! There's also motorbike. Done picture. There's just nothing to picture.
Later on the top.
This is the mountain you see that's on the top of the mountain. You can see a city.
So there, we'll go there. Then we can touch the clouds
Yeah.
later. We cannot see.
We open the window, touch the clouds,
Maybe.
and our hands will get moist because of clouds just made of water.
Yeah, but I scared if monkey will get inside.
Oh, why would there be monkey? What if the monkey jump out of the tree and ask us for banana?
We lose the name.
What's that mirror for? Why they just put it there?
Could you imagine we gonna go up to the top?
Oh, look at that. The clouds is really on the top of that mountain. Is it raining there, Daddy?